Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we studied physical properties of elements of group 16, 17 and 18 and anomalous behavior of oxygen and fluorine. Today, we are going to learn about chemical properties of elements of group 16, 17 and 18. First property is oxidation state. What is meant by oxidation state? Oxidation state is a charge present on atom of an element. Let's see the oxidation state of group 16 element. Group 16 element have valence shell electronic configuration Ns2Np4. Group 16 element have valence shell electronic configuration Ns2Np4. The first element in group 16 is oxygen. Oxygen has very high value of electronegativity. It tends to achieve noble gas configuration by gaining 2 electrons. These elements shows -2 oxidation state in their compound. Let me explain. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. p ऑर्बिटल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन हैं? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Oxygen have high electronegativity. It gains 2 electron from another element. And to achieve noble gas configuration. These elements show -2 oxidation state. This case is possible only when oxygen combines with low electronegative atom, the element having low electronegativity than oxygen. Then second case is when oxygen share 2 electron forming covalent bond. These element shows +2 oxidation state in their compound. For example, OF2. This is oxygen and this is fluorine. But fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen. That's why this is the lone pair of oxygen. Fluorine attracts electron towards itself. Share electron towards itself. They form covalent bond. And in this case, OF2 molecule, oxygen shows +2 oxidation state. The OF2, this is OF2 molecule. The charge present on fluorine is -1. That's why we have to find oxidation state of oxygen. X plus -2 is equal to 0. That's why x is equal to +2. So oxidation state of oxygen in OF2 molecule is +2. Understand? Then other group elements exhibit +2, +4. Sorry, one remaining. In case of peroxide, it shows oxidation state -1 when oxygen in form of peroxide, for example H2O2, it shows -1 oxidation state. Hydrogen carries +1 charge, means 2 plus 2x is equal to 0, 2x is equal to -2, x is equal to -1. In case of peroxides, it shows -1 oxidation state. Understand? Now, other group elements shows +2, +4, +6 oxidation state. With +4 and +6 is more common. The stability of higher +6 oxidation state decreases down the group, while stability of lower oxidation state increases down the group due to inert pair effect. In 11th standard, we study shielding effect. इस सेंटेंस को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए मुझे आपको इनर्ट पेयर क्या होता है ये बताना पड़ेगा, इसलिए हमें ग्रुप 16 के जो एलिमेंट है उनका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन चाहिए, वो हमने पहले लिखा था यहाँ पर। इस चार्ट में ग्रुप 16 एलिमेंट का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है। फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, we discussed. Now we talk about another elements of group 16, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Then what is mean by first inert pair effect? In 11th standard we study shielding effect. Shielding effect means effect of inner electrons on outer electron is called as shielding effect. Let me explain. Suppose this is the nucleus of any atom, and this is outermost shell electron. This is electron. Nucleus. This nucleus attract outermost shell electron. This nucleus attract outermost shell electron towards itself. This nucleus attract outermost shell electron towards itself. But at the same time, this inner shell electron repels outermost shell electron. This effect is known as shielding effect. This effect is known as shielding effect. The order of shielding effect of orbital is s orbital have greater shielding effect than p orbital. P orbital have greater shielding effect than d orbital. D orbital have greater shielding effect than f orbital. This is because it depends upon the shape of orbital. In inert pair, this order is very important. Remind it. S orbital have greater shielding effect than p orbital. P orbital have greater shielding effect than d orbital, and d orbital have greater shielding effect than f orbital. Let me explain. In case of sulfur, the outermost shell there is 4 electron. The outermost shell 4 electron in p, and 2s and 3s electron. In this p electron, well shielded by this 3s electron, and these 3s electron are well shielded by inner 2s electron. So all the 6 electron 3s के 2 और 3p के 4. So all the 6 electron are not very strongly bonded to the nucleus, and they can be participate in bond formation. That's why sulfur show easily +6 oxidation state. Now what happen in case of selenium? The 4p electron is well shielded by 4s, but but these 4s electron have to shielded by 3s orbital or 3d electron. These 4s electron have shielded by 3d orbital or 3d electrons, and shielding effect of 3d electron is not very much good. That's why these 4s electron is strongly attracted towards nucleus. This 4s electron is strongly attracted towards nucleus because it not shielded by 3d orbital 3d electrons, and that's why selenium shows sometime +4 oxidation state. These 4s electron attract towards nucleus, that's why only 4p electrons participate in bond formation. So selenium shows +4 oxidation state. Same in case of tellurium and polonium. This 5s2 and 6s2 electron is not shielded by 4d and 5d. That's why these two electrons attracted towards nucleus. So tellurium and polonium shows +4 oxidation state. Means selenium shows sulfur shows +6 oxidation state. Selenium shows +4 oxidation state. Tellurium shows +4 and polonium show +4. Means the higher oxidation state +6 is decreases down the group, and lower oxidation state +4 is more stable down the group. Understand? I hope you will better understand. That is the meaning of this sentence. Stability of higher +6 oxidation state decreases down the group, while stability of lower oxidation state +4 increases down the group due to inert pair effect. Let's talk about group 16 element. Oxidation state of group 17th element. Fluorine exhibits only -1 oxidation state in all its compound because fluorine atom has no d orbital in its valence shell. Therefore, fluorine cannot expand its octet. Fluorine is higher electronegative element in periodic table. So atomic number of fluorine is 9. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 5. p ऑर्बिटल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन हैं? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Fluorine is more electronegative. That's why they gain electron from other atom and acquire stable noble gas electronic configuration. So fluorine shows -1 oxidation state. Fluorine shows -1 oxidation state because it gain electron from other element. An absence of d orbital in valence shell, therefore fluorine cannot expand its octet. So oxidation state of fluorine is always -1. Then the remaining element of group 17 is chlorine, bromine, iodine exhibit +1, +3, +5 and +7 oxidation state because they are less electronegative than fluorine and have empty d orbital in the valence shell, therefore they expand the octet. Means the atomic number of chlorine is 17. Its electronic configuration: neon 3s2 3p5. But this chlorine have empty d orbital in the valence shell. This is 3s, this 3p, this is d orbital. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3. s ऑर्बिटल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन हैं? 2. p ऑर्बिटल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन हैं? 5. 2 3 4 5. These p orbital electron promoted to this d orbital. That's why chlorine, bromine, iodine show highest oxidation state. Understand? Because presence of empty d orbital in its valence shell. Now talk about group 18 element. Group 18 element. Noble gases have stable valence shell electronic configuration ns2 np6 with completely filled orbital. Thus, they have no tendency to gain or lose electron. They are zero valent. उनके शेल में they have no tendency to gain or lose electron. That they have stable electronic configuration. So these compounds exist in monoatomic gases except xenon, because xenon have outermost shell vacant d orbital in its outermost shell. That's why it shows higher oxidation state, +2, +4, +6. Understand? Today we will stop here.